Now we are seeing the processing of the paper bag. We first set the paper reel center.
Use a reel the size of a paper bag.
This is the strip that requires a flat handle, and it folds automatically. Make the handle for the paper bag by adding hot glue to it. We separate these handles into two. The process here involves joining the paper and the handle with the help of a glue. The process of tubing. This is how tubing is made according to the size of the bag.
Tubing side pasting process.
We cut the tube to the size we need.
Folding a square for a paper bag. After pasting the bottom, it was shaped into a square shape. Paper bag machine easily and accurately produces attractive and durable paper bags. Can be manufactured in the size and design as per the customer's requirement.